The wait is finally over. Sony has just unveiled the brand new FX3 II, and trust me, this is a huge upgrade for filmmakers. From a brand new 6K full-frame sensor with stunning 16 stops of dynamic range, to 4K at 180 frames per second slow motion, AI-powered autofocus, next-level cooling, and even professional 4-channel audio support, this camera is rewriting the rulebook for compact cinema gear. Whether you're a content creator, indie filmmaker, or working on professional productions, the FX3 II isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know: design, features, performance, price, and why the FX3 II might just be the ultimate filmmaker's dream in 2025 and beyond. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The world of digital cinema and content creation is evolving at lightning speed, and one of the biggest names pushing that evolution forward is Sony. Over the last decade, Sony has established itself as a dominant force not only in consumer photography but also in professional filmmaking, offering a blend of cutting-edge sensors, innovative autofocus systems, and cinematic-grade features at increasingly accessible price points. Among Sony's most celebrated releases has been the FX3, a compact yet powerful cinema camera that combined the best of the Alpha mirrorless series with features from the cinema line, essentially giving filmmakers a true hybrid machine. Now, with the official unveiling of the Sony FX3 II, Sony is once again raising the stakes and delivering what many are already calling one of the most exciting upgrades for filmmakers in recent years. This isn't just a small step forward, it's a leap that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in a compact cinema body, blending professional video performance with the portability creators demand in 2025 and beyond. From the moment you look at the FX3 II, you can tell that Sony hasn't completely reinvented the design language but has instead refined and polished what was already successful. The familiar compact body remains, making it perfect for handheld shooting, gimbal work, and on-location filmmaking. However, subtle changes to ergonomics, heat management, and button placement make it a more practical tool in the field. The cage-free design with multiple mounting points is still here, but now reinforced with even stronger materials and better weather sealing, making the FX3 II more reliable in challenging environments. Sony has also upgraded the LCD screen, offering a brighter, higher-resolution flip-out display that's more usable under harsh sunlight. For filmmakers who rely on external monitoring, the addition of improved HDMI output and more customizable function buttons ensures smoother workflows on set. Under the hood, however, is where the magic truly lies. The Sony FX3 II comes with a brand new full-frame sensor designed specifically with cinema in mind. It's a 6K backside illuminated XMR sensor capable of oversampling to deliver pristine 4K footage with incredible detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Sony's color science has been refined, bringing more natural skin tones and cinematic color depth straight out of the camera. The dual native ISO system has been improved as well, giving filmmakers greater flexibility in shooting across different lighting conditions without compromising image quality. What really stands out, though, is the dynamic range. Official reports suggest that the FX3 II offers up to 16 stops, allowing filmmakers to capture breathtaking details in both shadows and highlights, even in the most demanding shooting environments. One of the most anticipated upgrades in the FX3 II is its video recording capabilities. While the original FX3 was already capable of 4K 120p recording with minimal rolling shutter, the FX3 II takes it a step further. Filmmakers can now record internally in 6K up to 60p and 4K up to 180p, unlocking slow-motion capabilities that previously required much larger and more expensive cinema rigs. The introduction of 16-bit RAW external output, combined with 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, gives filmmakers unmatched flexibility in post-production. Sony has also expanded codec support, including more efficient options for compressed workflows and high bitrate all-eye recording modes for those who want maximum quality. With these enhancements, the FX3 II positions itself not only as a compact cinema powerhouse but also as a serious contender for professional film, documentary, and commercial work. Autofocus has always been one of Sony's strongest weapons, and the FX3 II leverages next-generation AI-driven autofocus that feels almost magical in practice. Borrowing from the advancements seen in the A7RV and ZV-E1, the FX3 II introduces advanced subject recognition powered by a dedicated AI processing unit. This means the camera can reliably track not just human eyes and faces but also animals, vehicles, and objects with astonishing precision. For filmmakers, This translates to smoother focus pulls, more confidence in run-and-gun scenarios, and reduced need for manual focus assistance in fast-paced environments. The FX3 II also supports touch tracking and customizable AF transition speeds, giving cinematographers more creative control over how focus shifts between subjects. Heat management, which was a concern for some users of the original FX3, has been thoroughly addressed in the new model. Sony has redesigned the internal cooling system with a more efficient fan and heat dissipation structure, allowing for unlimited recording times in 4K and extended durations even at higher resolutions and frame rates. This ensures that the FX3 II can handle long interviews, event coverage, or documentary shoots without overheating interruptions. For professionals, this reliability is a game changer and eliminates one of the few criticisms of its predecessor. Audio is another area where Sony has gone above and beyond. The FX3 II comes with an updated XLR handle unit, allowing for up to 4 channels of professional audio input. The preamps have been improved for cleaner, more dynamic sound capture, and Sony has integrated new digital noise reduction processing to minimize hiss and interference. Filmmakers who demand high-quality audio will find the FX3 II capable of replacing external recorders in many scenarios, streamlining the production setup. Of course, the camera also retains its 3.5mm jack and digital audio support through Sony's multi-interface shoe, giving creators flexibility depending on their gear. When it comes to stabilization, Sony has pushed the envelope even further. The FX3 II not only features advanced 5-axis in-body image stabilization, but also introduces an updated Cine Active mode that combines sensor shift with AI-powered correction for incredibly smooth footage. This makes handheld shooting more cinematic than ever, reducing reliance on gimbals for smaller productions while still offering professional-level stability. For documentary filmmakers or solo shooters, this feature is a lifesaver, making it possible to capture polished, stable footage in dynamic environments without bulky rigs. Connectivity and workflow have also been upgraded to meet the needs of modern filmmakers. The FX3 II comes with dual CF Express Type A and SD card slots, offering both speed and flexibility. It also supports faster transfer protocols, including USB 4.0 and 10 gigabits per second Ethernet via an adapter, enabling rapid offloading of large files. Sony's Catalyst Browse. The addition of improved HDMI output and more customizable function buttons ensures smoother workflows on set. Under the hood, however, is where the magic truly lies. The Sony FX3 II comes with a brand new full-frame sensor designed specifically with cinema in mind. It's a 6K backside illuminated XMR sensor capable of oversampling to deliver pristine 4K footage with incredible detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. Sony's color science has been refined, bringing more natural skin tones and cinematic color depth straight out of the camera. The dual